Hello everyone, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video, we have to solve one very interesting and challenging question from Harvard MIT Maths Tournament. So let's get started by writing here equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. We'll be adding all the three equations. Let's check out what will come out. So we have to add all the terms of LHS. Here we have XY, then we have XZ, then we have Y plus Z, then we have Z plus Y plus X. So Z plus Y plus X. And in RHS, 40 plus 51, 91 plus 19, 110. From equation 3, Z plus Y plus X, this is 19. From these two terms, we can take X common. So X times Y plus Z plus Y plus Z plus 19 equal to 110. Now we will subtract 19 from both sides. So plus 19 and minus 19 will get cancelled out. And we will take Y plus Z common from LHS. So we will write Y plus Z times X plus 1 equal to 110 minus 19, 91. Now from third equation, if we will find Y plus Z, then we can write it is 19 minus X. So I will write here from equation 3, Y plus Z equal to 19 minus X, which we will put here. So equation becomes 19 minus X times X plus 1 equal to 91. Now I will multiply both sides by -1. So I will write here times -1, and this side also I will write times -1. Now this -1 we will multiply to this bracket 19 minus X. We will get X minus 19 times X plus 1 equal to 91 times -1, minus 91. Now we will multiply these two brackets and we will get X square plus X minus 19X minus 18X minus 19 times plus 1 minus 19 equal to -91, which we will write here. So plus 91 equal to 0. We will write X square minus 18X, 91 minus 19 is 72, equal to 0. We have quadratic equation. We can solve by factoring. So we will split our middle term minus 18X minus 6X minus 12X plus 72 equal to 0. From first two terms X is common. We will write X minus 6. From next two minus 12 is common. So we will write X minus 6 equal to 0. Now X minus 6 is common. We will get X minus 6 times X minus 12 equal to 0. Now we'll use product 0 rule. So either X minus 6 equal to 0 or X minus 12 equal to 0. So from here X will be equal to 6. From here X will be equal to 12. Now we have two X values. X equal to 6, X equal to 12. We'll put X equal to 6 to our system of equations. Let's put X equal to 6. So we will get first equation 6Y plus Z equal to 40. X equal to 6 in second equation, we will get 6Z plus Y equal to 51. Now we will subtract second equation from first one. So we will get 5Y, Z minus 6Z minus 5Z, 40 minus 51 minus 11. Now we will take 5 common from LHS. So 5 times y minus z equal to minus 11. Now we will write y minus z by dividing both sides 5. Minus 11 over 5. Now from third equation, if I will put x equal to 6, I will write 6 plus y plus z equal to 19, or y plus z would be 19 minus 6, 13, which we will write here y plus z equal to 13. Now we have one linear system of equations with two variables. Simply add both, we will get 2y equal to 13 minus 11 over 5. So y will become half times 13 minus 11 over 5, 65 minus 11, 54 over 5. Now 54 over 2 is 27 over 5. So x equal to 6, y equal to 27 over 5. Now we will subtract first equation from second one. So we will write here 2z will be equal to 13 minus of minus 11 over 5. So plus 11 over 5, which we will simplify and write 65 plus 11, 76 over 5. Now we will divide both sides by 2 and get z. 76 over 2 is 38. So z will be equal to 38 over 5. So if I will write ordered triplet, then 6, 27 over 5, 38 over 5. Let me write here x, y, z will be 6, 27 over 5, 38 over 5. Now we have x equal to 12. Let's put to our system. So I will write 12y plus z equal to 40. Then we have 12z, which I am writing here, plus y equal to 51. Let's subtract second equation from first one. So sign change will be there. 12y minus y, 11y, z minus 12z, minus 11z, 40 minus 51, minus 11. Let's divide both sides by negative 11. We will get z minus y equal to 1. Now we have third equation. Here we will put x equal to 12. So y plus z would be 19 minus 12, which we will write 7. So I can write here z plus y equal to 7. Simply by adding these two, we are going to get z. So z will be equal to half times 1 plus 7. It is 8 over 2, which will be equal to 4. So for x equal to 12, z is 4. Now we will subtract first equation from second one to get the value of y will be equal to half times 7 minus 1 will be equal to 6 over 2 equal to 3. So here also we can write one triplet 12, 3, 4. So I will write here x, y, z 12, 3, 4. So we have two ordered pairs. If I will write overall, then x, y, z, it is equal to 6, 27 over 5, 38 over 5, and second triplet is 12, 3, 4. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.